It's not by works, so that no one can boast. Ephesians chapter 2 verses 9. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I love fried rice a lot, and this is one of the best ways I enjoyed my shrimp fried rice. So if you want to learn how, please stick around and let's make this together. It will be very hard for you to stop eating this. Let's get started. So here I have 2 cups of jasmine rice. Feel free to use basmati rice as well. I have my tiger shrimps, chicken stock, and here are the seasoning that will be going in this fried rice. I will list them each and every one as we go. I also have some vegetables here which I've already chopped: carrot, bell peppers, green peas, and some spring onions. I do have 3 eggs as well, some cooking olive oil, and some chopped onions. I will go ahead and cook the rice, and in my pot I will be adding my chicken stock, and I'll also add a tablespoon of turmeric powder. This is going to give that yellow color to the rice, and turmeric is also very healthy. I'll also drop a few onions in there and make sure it simmers for about 2 minutes, and then add my washed rice. Very simple, okay fam? So once you add the rice, make sure that you mix everything well and it's well incorporated. Make sure it simmers for about 1 minute. Taste for salt and add the salt, all right? And then add your water, enough to cover the rice, okay? I would say if you're using 2 cups like I'm doing, just add 1.5 cup of water and you'll be good to go, just like this. Cover it and allow it to cook slowly on a medium heat for about 25 minutes, and your rice should be ready. But you should be checking up on it just so that it does not stick at the bottom and burn. And 15 minutes into it, make sure you stir again, and this time around make sure you cover it with your parchment paper, and 10 minutes time your rice should be ready. Make sure it's on a low medium heat, okay? And while we're waiting, I'll go ahead and prep my shrimps. I'm going to just crush the garlic and the ginger. When I'm done crushing it, I'll just add about a tablespoon to the shrimp. It's really good to also add a bit of heat to the shrimp seasoning as well. And once done, I'll add about a teaspoon of Maggie seasoning to this, and we are done with the seasoning for the shrimps. And yes, 25 minutes went by so fast. The rice is ready, and as you can see, it has also singled out the way it should be. So good. And I'm just going to let it rest for about 15 minutes before we start with the fried rice process, okay? Right now, let's start frying everything up. So we are going to start with the shrimps. This was so hard not to just have some in my mouth. It was so good and smells amazing. I'm going to stir fry this for about 5 minutes, and once I'm done, I'll take them out and put it aside. Are so good. They are literally popping in my eyes. So once I'm done, in the same oil, I'm going to fry my vegetables. I added my onions and then goes in my carrots. I'll let them fry for about a minute and then introduce my mixed bell peppers and my green peas. And once that comes in, I'll then add about a tablespoon of my crushed garlic and ginger for just that hot cake. It's so good. And once I'm done, I'll also add my vegetable seasoning as well, just to make everything balanced in here. All right, then I'll continue to fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then put it aside and then scramble my eggs. vegetables were stir fried so well, I'm going to season my eggs with a bit of pepper powder and my Maggie seasoning. Mix it very well because it's really, really important. Make sure that you have a little bit of air so that you get a lot more of your scrambled eggs. And I'll add a bit of oil and you are going to scramble it. So good. Once you're done scrambling your eggs, you go ahead and put it aside as well. Just have a look at these scrambled eggs, so good. I also do not like my egg to overcook. I will set that aside as well. I'm going to also add a bit more of the olive oil and really fry this rice for about 3 minutes. I do also love to add the canzo part as well. Okay, so once everything goes in, I'll just make sure everything is well fried, and I'm going to season it with my Maggie seasoning, fish seasoning, and I also add a bit of dark soy sauce. Following me for long, you know that I do love these 3 combos for all my fried rice recipes. All right, it's absolutely the best. And just go ahead and stir and make sure everything is well mixed together. And now we are introducing everything that we stir fried back to this fried rice and make sure it's well mixed together. That is simple, family. Lots of ways that I make my fried rice, but I know and I feel like this is one of the best, the very best that I have so far. Please be sure to try this. You're not going to regret it. Okay, I'm going to now add my shrimps, and then comes my scrambled eggs, and we will be so good to go. The very last ingredient that I will add will be the spring onions, and we will be so good to go, fam. It's so good. I really hope you give this a try, and also be sure to give me a thumbs up if you've not done that yet. Okay, so amazing. So these stand out so good. You can feel it from your screens, right? All that we have to do here is to just plate it and we are good to go. Have this for your mini summer parties and everyone will love it. I promise you, it is absolutely delicious. There you have it. Absolutely easy but yet very delicious. It will be very hard for you to stop eating this meal. You can enjoy it on its own or just pair it with some chicken or fish. So good. Thank you so much, family, for watching right to the end. I really appreciate your time. Be sure to give me a like and also share to a few friends and family if you enjoyed it. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. So please be sure to subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.